Jai and dear students. So today we are doing question number 6, 7 and 8 of exercise 9.5. And let's begin with question number 6 second part, and it is 99 square. If you read the question, then one thing that you observe, it is mentioned using identities evaluate. Because I know that if it is written 99 square, you people know it is 99 into 99. But with the help of these identities, the calculation will be becoming very easy. Let's see how it will become easy. This 99 can be written as 99 plus 9. Also we can write this as 100 minus 1. So now it is becoming 100 minus 1 whole square. Now it is in the form of a minus b whole square. Okay. So since you people know that a minus b whole square equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square, that is why a square at place of 8 is 100, at place of b it is 1. So a square means 100 square plus, okay, here it will be minus because it is a minus b whole square, minus, then 2ab, 2 into a is 100, b is 1, plus b square means 1 square. 100 into 100 is 10,000. Why 10,000? Because there are 2 zeros, and when you multiply, then you will be getting 4 zeros. Minus 2 into 100 is 200. 200 into 1 is 200, because you know 1 is multiplicative identity. So it is 200 plus 1 square means 1. 10,000 minus 200 is 9,800. 9,800 plus 1 will be 9,801. So this is your answer. After second part, now let us do fifth part. It is 5.2 whole square. Okay. We can write this 5.2 as 5 plus 0.2 whole square. Here it was a minus b. Now here it is in the form of a plus b. So you people know that since a plus b whole square equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square, okay, that is why now at place of a we have got 5. So 5 square plus 2ab, 2 into 5 into 0.2, because at place of a it is 5, at place of b it is 0.2 plus 0.2 whole square. Now you people know that 5 square is 25 plus 2 into 5 is 10. 10 into 0.2 will be 2 plus 0.2 into 0.2. Let us see that. You know that 0.2 into 0.2 will be. For that, first you see 2 into 2. 2 into 2 will be 4. Then after this, what you will see is, in this, in decimal part you have got 1 digit. In this also in decimal part you have got 1 digit. So total becomes 2 digit. That is why here in decimal part there will be 2 digit. That is why you will get 0.04. 25 plus 2 will be 27, and then you will get 27.04 as your answer. Then once you have done fifth part, now let us move on to seventh part. What is mentioned in seventh part is, it is 78 into 82. The first question that we did, in that it was a minus b whole square. In this you observe that it is a plus b whole square. Do we find the same thing happening here? No. What you observe here is that this is 78. This is 82. 78 and 82, do you observe something? You people are correct. You are observing that 72 is 2 less than 80 and 82 is 2 more than 80. That is why we can write this as 80 minus 2 and this as 80 plus 2. That is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. Okay. So you people know that since a minus b into a plus b equals to a square minus b square. which means that what we will do is 80 square minus 2 square, because at place of A we have got 80, at place of B we have got 2. 80 square, 8 into 8 is 64, so 80 into 80 will be 6400 minus 2 into 2 will be 4. Now 6400 minus 4 will be 6396, because when you subtract 4 from 400 you get 396. Okay, so this will be your answer. Now once we have done the 7th part, let us now move on to the 9th part. This 9th part is a good question. It is 1.05 into 9.5. 1.05 into 9.5, yes. Now if it would have been 10.5, then people would have been able to do easily, but here it is not so. So I will be telling you two ways of doing this question. Kindly see that properly. We can write this as 1.1 plus 0.05 into 1 plus 8.5, and whichever way you people find convenient, you people can opt. It is now made in the form of a plus x plus a into x plus b. See, your first term is same, either out of these two, one is same in both. So since x plus a into x plus b equals to x square plus x in bracket a plus b plus ab, that is why here at place of x we have got 1, means 1 square, plus x means 1, bracket, it is a plus b. At place of a we have got 0.05, at place of b we have got 8.5, plus a into b means 0.05 into 8.5. Now 1 square will be 1, plus when you add these two, then you people get 8.55, plus when you multiply these two, see, 8.5 into 0.05, 8.85 into 5 will be 5 5s are 25, carry 2, 8 5s are 40 plus 2, 42. Now decimal will be, here there are 2 digits, here there is 1 digit, total is 3, so decimal will be here, means you people are getting 0.425. Now see, when you are adding them, then what you people get, let me erase this and show you people here. 8.55 plus 1 will be 9.55, so I am writing 9.55. 1 plus 8.55 will be 9.55. Then 0.425. When I add, I get 579.9. In this way, 9.975 is the answer. Now, as I mentioned that I'll be telling two ways of doing this. So, I'm showing you the other way of doing this. Or, okay. Here. Now see, this is 1.05 into 9.5. For making this 10.5, you will have to multiply it by 10. But thing is that if you are multiplying 10 in numerator, so you will have to also multiply it in denominator so that the value does not change. Let us do that. So 1.05 into 9.5 into 10 divided by 10. Okay. Then if you multiply 10 in this, decimal will be shifting one place towards right. That is why this will become 10.5 into 9.5 divided by 10. Because this 10 is doing nothing right now. So ऐसे ही बैठा रहेगा. This is 10, so it has shifted to 10 point. Decimal has shifted one place towards right. Now you people see, it is 10 plus 0.5. This is 10 minus 0.5. So we can write this number as 10 plus 0.5 and this number as 10 minus 0.5 upon 10 will remain as it is. Now this is in the form of, since a plus b into a minus b equals to a square minus b square. Okay, so a square minus b square means 10 square minus 0.5 whole square divided by 10. I am not erasing so that I can show you that in both the cases you will be getting the answer. So I am writing it over here. 10 square means 100 minus 0.5 whole square means 0.25 upon 10. Then 100 minus 0.25 will be 99.75 by 10. If you people want, you may subtract and see 100 0.00 minus 0.25. So you will take carry. So 5, 9 minus 2 is 7, 99. So you are getting 99.75. 99.75 divided by 10. Since it is getting divided by 10, so decimal will be shifting one place towards left, and thus over here also you are getting the same result. So you people can do it in these two ways. Then let us now move on to question number. I hope that question number 6 is clear to you all. Now let's move on to question number 7. In question number 7, let us do the second part. In second part, the question is 1.02 whole square minus 0.98 whole square. Okay, so it is in the form of a square minus b square. See, a square minus b square. So since you people know that since a square minus b square equals to a plus b into a minus b, that is why this will become 1.02 plus 0.98, 1.02 minus 0.98. When you are adding these two, 1.02, I am showing it here, 1.02 and 0.98. First let us see the decimal part. Since this is smaller than 8, you will take carry, so 12 minus 8 is 4, and this is 90, and you people, sorry, we have to add over here, this we are taking for this one. Okay, so this is now 0, and if we add 1.02 and 0.98, 10 plus carry 1, so 10, so in this way we get 2. 2 into, for subtraction we got 0.04, and when you people multiply, then what you observe is 2 into 4 will be 8. Okay, but in decimal part here we have got 2 digits, that is why it will be 0.08. So this will be your answer. After this second part, now let us do the fourth part. In fourth part, the question is 12.1 square minus 7.9 square. Once again, we will be using the same identity, that is a square minus b square, and that is equal to a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b means 12.1 plus 7.9, 12.1 minus 7.9. When you add these two, 12 plus 8 will be 20 into 12.1, 12.1 minus 7.9. While writing, make sure that you have written it in correct manner. Whole part and decimal part have to be seen properly. Now 11 minus 9 is 2. This has given carry, so 11, so this is now 4.2. Okay, now we can also multiply. See, let us segregate this as 2 into 10. If you multiply 10 and 42, so you will be getting 4.2, then you will be getting 42. 42 into 2 will be 84. In this way, 84 will be the answer. So with this, I hope that question number 7 is clear to you people. Then let us now move on to question number 8. Okay. So this is very easy chapter. You people will be finding it very helpful in next classes as well as competitive examinations. In question number 8, let us do the first part. It is 103 into 104. Okay. So now you are seeing that this is 3 greater than 100, this is 4 greater than 100. That is why 100 plus 3 into 100 plus 4. A plus B into x plus A into x plus B. Okay. So since x plus A into x plus B equals to x square plus x in bracket A plus B plus AB. Okay. That is why here what will happen is that 100 square. Why? Because in beginning we have to do x square. At place of x we have got 100. So 100 square plus x means 100 plus AB. At place of A it is 3. At place of B it is 4. So 3 plus 4. Then plus AB. AB means A into B. A is 3 and B is 4. 100 square will be 10,000. As I mentioned, 100 into 100, 4 zeros will be there. 10,000 plus 100 into 7. 3 plus 4 will be 7. And 3 into 4 will be 12. 10,000 plus 700 plus 12. Now what you get is 10,712. When you add them, then you get 10,712. After this first part, now let us do the fourth part. It is 9.7 into 9.8. Okay, so this you can do it as 10 minus 0.3 and 10 minus 0. Or you can also do it as 9 plus 0.7 into 9 plus 0.8. Because people find addition very convenient, so you people can also mention it in this manner. So since x plus A into x plus B equals to x square plus x in bracket A plus B plus AB, that is why at place of x we have 9, so 9 square plus 9 in bracket 0.7 plus 0.8 plus 0.7 into 0.8. Why? Because it is A into B. 9 square will be 81 plus 9 into 0.7 plus 0.8 will be 1.5 plus 7 into 8 is 56. Here in decimal part we have got 1 digit, here in decimal part we have 1 digit, so total becomes 2. So this will be 0.56. This is 81 plus 9 5s are 45, carry 4. Then 9 into 1 is 9 plus 4, 13. 13.5 plus 0.56. Then when you add, see 81.00, 13.5, then 0.56. 6, 0, carry 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 5, and then 9. In this way, you people get the answer as 95.06 as your answer. So in this way we have done this chapter. I hope that this chapter is clear to you people.